Okay, welcome to my presentation. I'm working on this an assignment that I have to find a website that isn't too complex, and I have to do a reverse engineer the design. Um, yeah, it was difficult finding the website. Most of the websites that I was able to find, they were so complicated. Okay. So the website that I was able to find, it's the Walmart directory store in the United States. It's a big store in the States, I'll say. So these are the states where that has Walmart stores like. So when you open, let me open which state? Let me open Nevada. So when you open in Nevada, inside Nevada, there are cities, and in each city has um these same stores. And let me just open one of the cities, Person City. So it's showing that it has two. So this city has, yeah. So you can see the Walmart Supercenter number. It has even Supercenter numbers. Okay. And what you can find in this same directories, their addresses and their phone numbers. Okay. And uh, so these are the entities, I'll say. So I took this all data um, and I was able to put it under Excel. Okay. So these are the data that I was able to take to get. So it says state, city, address, phone, open time, supercenter number. So out of this, I was able to divide it into groups so that this data can be able to make more sense. Okay, so we have store, we have state, and we have a city. Okay, so state is this same, the states that I was showing you, these ones. Under the states, we have cities, which is this one. Okay, and inside these cities, we have the stores. Okay, so now in coming back to my SQL. This one. Okay, under store, these are the entities that were under there. We have a product or a primary key, which is to make it more redundant. Even the city has primary key. Even this one has primary key. Okay. So there are other information that can be put under the city. Um, if you find out more, like you go back here, there are other information that can be added. But just for the simplicity of this um, assignment, I've decided not to put many. So now what I'll do is defining the relationships between these. So I'll use many to many. The reason why I'm using many to many is because a city can have many stores. Like you find that maybe it's one city, but there can be one, two, three, four. Okay. And stores as well. Or many cities also can contain these same stores. So I'll use many to many. So I'll start with the city. Okay. So this is the relationship. You can see it has taken the product key from store and product key from city. So now this becomes foreign keys. So now the relationship that is left to be defined is between a city and a state. So the many cities can come from one state. So I'll just use many to one. So like this. Okay. So this is the relationship. This is the reverse engineering for Walmart stores. Now from here, if you want, you can start putting in the information like in this, so that when you want to copyright, you can see all the data. So this is my presentation. Yeah, let me just stop the recording.